Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to earn up to $50 per discussion panel on Voicepark. If you're still struggling to make money, or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. I saw an ad for Voicepark, a new consumer research panel, on Instagram the other night. The ad said that users could earn $15 to $50 gift cards for each action they took. Since I'm always looking for legitimate side jobs and new ways to make money online, I decided to do some research on the company and see what it was all about. After doing a thorough Google search, I decided that the company made sense and that it was safe for me to join. Voicepark calls itself a private online community where members can talk to each other and share their thoughts on the development of a number of consumer products and services. The panel's exclusive research opportunities include learning about your lifestyle and shopping habits, connecting you with other members for real-time conversations, and getting your feedback to help brands improve their customers' experiences. Voicepark members get points for every discussion panel they join and take part in. These points can be used to buy gift cards worth up to $50. So the more you take part in activities in your community, the more points you will get. Then you can use your points to get free gift cards to places like Amazon, Apple, Starbucks, Target, among others. Depending on what you do and how hard you work, you can make anywhere from $15 to $50. Voicepark says that they care about how well their members answer questions. That means if you want to earn gift cards, you need to be serious in your answers. Get paid to help shape the products and services you use. Voicepark's goal is to help brands improve their products, services, and customers' experiences. According to the company's website, if you join the market research panel, you can expect to take part in online discussions about a wide range of products. For household, food, paper products, and pet products. Personal care includes taking care of your health, hair, skin, and teeth. Media, Disney, Netflix, YouTube, and HBO Max. And about after hours, drinks, cigarettes, and products for vaping. In short, you should think about joining the Voicepark community if you want to get paid to help brands shape the products and services you use. Even though you don't get paid in cash, for every activity you do, you can get a free gift card worth up to $50. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. The secret to generating income online is in my free webinar, so make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. And it's available worldwide and beginner friendly. So click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. Don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in my next video.